Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if we cannot be reached on our mobile number using our iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and scroll down and we need to make sure that the airplane mode is not turned on. So we're going to click this and with that, we can guarantee that anyone can call us. But if in case that they can't still reach us, we need to make sure that do not disturb is not turned on as well. So we're going to check that. So if you notice, this is turned off. So basically, if we're going to turn that one on, that means that nobody can reach us on our mobile device. So again, what we need to do then is to turn this one off so that we can be reached by anyone who's going to call us. If in case that we still do have the same problem, what we can do then is to go to our settings. So just like for example, this one. And right after that, on settings, we need to scroll down. And we have here phone. We're going to click this. And if you notice, we have here notifications. We're going to make sure that the notification is turned on. So we're going to turn this one on. And basically, every time that there will be someone is going to call us, we will be notified. So basically, there are instances that we can't answer the call because the notification is turned off. So if in case that you can still be contacted, so the last resort then is that we can go ahead to our blocked contacts. Maybe that particular account was blocked on our account, so we are going to check on that. So basically, if that particular contact number is blocked, so that means that he or she cannot contact you on your mobile number. So you can go ahead and unblock the particular contact so that he or she may contact you then. So basically, those are the different processes or steps in order for us to fix the problem in terms of failure to be reached on our mobile device. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.